Oh, a little bit of extra bounce.
He's got a lovely whip of his wrist and gets it behind, and that's what gets that pace.
Cries of catch it, but it's found the gap. It was in the air past that inner ring. Thinking about coming back for the third, and they do that quite comfortably. What a shot that is. My goodness, pick the bones out of that.
Have a look at this. Cross seam. On the up. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Whatever form of the game, that's what you want to see.
Final four. Edge finds the gap. Races away for four.
Just use his hands. This one just slightly goes away. Oh, he's feeling for it a little bit more. First slip is wide. Not sure even if it had been in the right position that would have carried. It had to be really close.
Just over the top. And that's going to trickle away for a boundary. First ball the over.
Whether he's trying to overhit this, and that's exactly what he's doing. See how his back leg collapsed as well?
Again. Oh, he's picked that up beautifully. What a wonderful shot that is.
Ishmael just goes a little bit shorter. Look how quick he is on this. Decent pace, remember, this isn't...
And that one just holding its line a little bit longer. That's a nice drive. 4 runs, all on the carpet.
Get on top of the bounce and get it past.
Annoyed with that boundary, I think, Shob. Good comeback, shorter delivery.
Wing away.
A bit of movement in towards the right-hander. No ball called. Just one bounce.
He just saw the length of the delivery. And it is a no ball, you can see with that, but I think he was always looking to go over mid-off. Extra cover, and sliced it away.
Oh, it's a very, very slow delivery, and it ended up right in the block hole.
Free hit. It's like an off spinner that just comes out the top of the hand.
Oh, that's nicely whipped away on the leg side for 4.
Johnson, second time in a row.
Yeah, the googly. And it's gone a long way. Difficult for the keeper because he was unsighted for quite a period.
After that, it was a moment where I was asking myself, why did I ask for the removal of those bands? That's a boundary with the inside edge.
Yeah, almost making its way through bat and pad. He gets a lot of purchase with the googly. That is a beautiful stroke. It really is.
Haven't seen much of Tayyibarev, but this seems to be a strong zone. Cover, extra cover. The first shot that he played of his innings, that and this one. He's deliberately played it over the 30-yard circle to keep it safe. And look at how he's bisected the men in the deep. And he holds his pose. Big shot. And gone. That is exactly what I was saying.
I think the bat's just closed on connection. It has, and that's why he hasn't hit it as well as he would have wanted. It's the right ball to try and hit.
Just passes that fielder. That'll go to the boundary. He's a strong man, Chavez.
How's this for timing? It's a gentle push, Sikandar. Made sure he got it in the gap to the left of the man at extra cover. It's raced away. Brings up the 50.
He swept that nicely.
Taken it off middle stump, but he's watched it all the way onto the bat. And he's made sure that he's got it go really fine.
And it's very near to where the ball has been hit. It's a boundary.
So that he can create space for him to access the offside.
All nicked. This is nicked. Not really a chance for the keeper. They'll pick up. I was going to say they could pick up 2.
Okay, he went for a big heave. There was a drop catch by the keeper, Zulkifal. Everyone thought it would be a double, and then and then the slide, a reverse slide, I say.
What a shot! Again.
With the gloves behind the wicket. He took a brilliant catch. Today he is playing as a player. Just look at that, the kind of power he created. His base was still not very firm, but the kind of power he created with his arms, that's...
Good shot. Little bit of width.
Very impressive, Tayyib Arif. He's been reading the spinners so well. Just look at that front foot and then the weight transfer on the back foot. Edge again, and it might run away for 4 runs.
Of course, he's trying to get it behind, but he's trying to get it through those 2 fielders. Beautiful shot. It's a very, very good shot.
Playing the leg spinner with the spin, without any risk. He was well above that cover fielder, clear of that fielder.
Pulled away, maximum.
And he overcorrected this time. Luke Benkenstein shot delivery within the stumps, and he was on the back foot really quickly. Shahwez Irfan with the maximum. He's showing his range. The previous boundary to covers, this boundary to deep mid-wicket.
Arif played really nicely, squeezing that one away. That's going to go for a boundary as well.
Full, he's looking for the wide Yorker. He just opens the face, gets it wide of third man. 1 stroke away from victory now.
Full toss, punch down the ground. Should be only 2. Think. Oh, did he have that back grounded? Has gone upstairs to have a look.
It's going to be tight. Now.
Yeah, that's out. Elbow and below. That's where it can be. So that's out. Very good return right over top of the bails. Slicing that one. And it has gone for 4. 1 bounce, and that is the game. 50 up as well for Shahwez. Really, it was a very fine knock of just 30 balls, but what a victory this is for the Royals.
Led the run chase.
There we go, there's the winning hit from Shahwez to bring up his 50 as well, end up 51 not out. Very fine performance. He was quite happy with that, as you can see. And a timely turn of the table here for the Royals.